It is a logistical puzzle, if you will. Every day is basically a catering event for us, and so we know the amount of folks that are going to be coming through the doors, we know the menu, we know the volume of what needs to be done, and we know how to execute that at an incredibly high level. We have a staff of a little over 560, and we're going to need every single one of them that we possibly can. So we are pulling from resource personnel to we have got some partners in UAB facilities, specifically our team over in Resident Life that is going to be pitching in and helping out as well. But it's a little bit like a whole team of ants moving around at all times to make sure something like this happens. And so at any one time, we'll have upwards of 150 to 170 hourly and salaried employees working for one meal.
The menu itself is not too different from our normal college cafeteria menu. If you look at our college student population, it's kind of the same mix of international students. We have students from around the country. With athletes in mind, it's carb loaded on a lot of things. So carbs everywhere throughout. Fruits and vegetables, or hand fruits available at almost every station to grab, bananas, apples, oranges, things like that. There will be deli meats for proteins on the salad bar, as well as many beans, composed salads, things like that. So it was developed with that athlete in mind and trying to go that way.
I think we're all over the planning. We've planned, and everyone's been working on this for so long. We were just talking about it not too long ago. We're over the planning. We're ready. The plan is in place. Just rip the Band-Aid off and let's just do it. We're ready to have them in and get them fed. Yeah, and put that one in the books.
For a majority of the service and the cooking and the production and the hospitality section, this is what we do day in, day out for the campus community here at UAB. And so yes, it's on a global scale, but as a global company, those are the resources that we bring in. And we're just excited to be able to help bring our knowledge and expertise to the table to execute this event and to make it a showcase piece for UAB.